Young birds. You want a snack? Come on. Well, not all young, because the checkered cock is basically going to be a 2-year-old for racing, and so is that white hen. She hasn't raced, but she's going to get a bit of a toss this year. But hey, come on. The twins are trouble. They are trouble, them too. Come on. There's plenty of seeds in there for you, and there's plenty of room. It's one of Leo's babies. It's got some beautiful wings on it. Got very similar wings to his father. That's one thing I do like about him. He's got some nice big strong wings, especially the flights. And then the twins, which are generally a bit of trouble. Always very cheeky, those two. Come on, just gonna have a good old feed today.